Hello and welcome back to Talking Planning. Today, I'm on board the latest buses at Logan City Bus Service. They're Volvo B8RLEs, all fitted with a Bustech VST body. So let's see what they've got to offer up. Engine-wise, Volvo give you 320 horsepower, 1200 newton meters of torque, and push it all through a 6-speed ZF gearbox, which is well up to the standards of class. So let's have a listen to what that strong engine and this annoying beep sound like now. This bus also comes complete with an extra strong new bus smell. Bus 10, which I'm on now, was built in September 2020 and entered service earlier in November, replacing a 2000 build Mercedes O405NH fitted with green signs, 7-segment numerals and rectangular lights. Buses 10 and 11 bring the Clark's fleet of B8RLEs up to 8, joining 6 previously delivered vehicles from late 2019 and newer. These buses are fitted with white destination signs, silver handrails and a new style of stoplight inside. Inside, they look remarkably like the newest Bustech XDIs that are on the Gold Coast. Since this bus had some annoying beep for some reason, and because of the rest of Brisbane deciding they wanted to jump on board this bus at the same time, we'll finish this review off outside. Alrighty, so I just jumped off that brand new Volvo B8 at Logan City Bus Service, and it was nice. A few little niggles though, probably some teething problems because it really is brand new. It was delivered about a couple of weeks ago and entered service, I think, last week. Very fresh, clean and tidy, but that annoying beeping sound drove me mad. That's probably one of the reasons why I jumped off early. It also filled up, so I couldn't really film any review work further. But it's a nice, crisp, modern new Bustech interior, good seats, good handrails, decent number of stop bells, and once that beeping noise is sorted out, gets a thumbs up from me. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you again soon.